In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks to make walking easy and fun for everyone. The more you enjoy your walks, the more you will be committed to walking more often. 1. Proper gear. First things first, ensure you have the right gear. Comfortable shoes with good support are essential for a pleasant walking experience. Dress according to the weather, stay hydrated, and protect yourself from the sun if necessary. 2. Setting goals. Next, set achievable goals for your walks. Whether it's reaching a certain distance, exploring a new trail, or simply enjoying nature, having a purpose can make your walks more fulfilling. 3. Mindful walking. Practice mindfulness while walking. Pay attention to your surroundings, the sights, sounds, and sensations. This not only enhances your experience, but also helps reduce stress and improve mental clarity. 4. Walking techniques. Utilize proper walking techniques to minimize strain on your body. Maintain an upright posture, swing your arms naturally, and take smooth, rhythmic steps to conserve energy and prevent fatigue. 5. Spice it up. Don't be afraid to spice up your walks. Incorporate activities like bird watching, photography, or scavenger hunts to add excitement and keep things interesting. 6. Walking with friends. Finally, consider walking with friends or family. Not only does it make the experience more enjoyable, but it also provides motivation and accountability. Incorporate variety into your walking routine to keep things fresh and exciting. Try different routes, explore new neighborhoods, or venture into nearby parks or nature reserves. Changing scenery not only stimulates your senses, but also challenges your body in different ways, enhancing your overall fitness and enjoyment. Additionally, consider adding intervals of brisk walking or inclines to your route for a cardiovascular boost and to elevate your calorie burn. Don't let unfavorable weather deter you from walking. Embrace it. Invest in proper rain gear or cold weather attire to stay comfortable and dry in inclement conditions. Walking in the rain can be surprisingly invigorating, and a snowy landscape offers a serene and magical atmosphere. Just remember to adapt your pace and be cautious of slippery surfaces. By embracing all types of weather, you'll discover a new appreciation for the beauty of nature and the resilience of your spirit. So, no matter the forecast, lace up those shoes and step outside for an unforgettable walking experience. And there you have it, walking made easy and fun. Remember, it's not just about the destination, but the journey itself. So lace up those shoes, step outside, and embark on your own walking adventure today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthy and active lifestyle. Until next time, happy walking